Where? So terrified by it. Ah! I don't want to pick it up. I'm scared. Oh my gosh.
It's mad.
It scared me. No bird likes me, so. I clicked one of your updates.
They're scary. Like, oh my goodness. That's not how you pick one up.
I know. I'm attempting, and I can't. It's scary.
Let me eat you.
Can I hold you, please? Oh my gosh. Okay, these birds actually scare me to death. I can't pick one up.
Try this yellow one right here.
No, he runs away from me. He doesn't like me. That one hates me with passion. I don't know why. I didn't.
A hater. That bird is a hater.
Oh, it's sad. Why am I hated by you guys? I didn't do